Hello my people, how are you guys doing today? So in today's video I will be cleaning my kitchen and then I'll be cooking pasta with ground beef, and then my husband, you guys will see my husband, he will be helping me to clean the dishes because yeah, there were a lot of dirty dishes. So as you guys can see, and then yes, I love to eat bread with ground beef. So yes guys, enjoy. Yes. Yeah. See what you did in the floor? Wow. Good job, Franz. ¿Qué? ¿Qué estás diciendo? ¿Sabes, Gonzalo? I can't pick you up, Franz. I can't. Oh yes, so guys, this is my kitchen right now, looking really nasty. So yeah, this is how the floor is looking, and this is how my table is looking. Yes, very messy. Real life right there. Everything that I have to clean, this one is expired, so I have to throw this one away. And then yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's begin with the floor first, and then I'm going to wash the plate, and then I'm going to cook after that. So yeah, it's 12:22. So we'll see. guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video has already been posted on our main YouTube channel, which is the Decimus Family. I will be leaving the link to this channel on the description box. So yes guys, on the other channel we only speak Creole, so if you're Haitian, you're welcome. So yes guys, as you guys can see, I'm about to make pasta with ground beef, and then I have my garlic already and yes, in the oil, and I'm going to add this épice. It's a Haitian épice. It doesn't have garlic on it, so yes, right. So yes, I added the ground lol, the ground beef, and then I'm going to add Maggi, and then I'm going to add salt, and then I believe I'm going to add bell pepper. Yes. No. This is Creole seasoning. It's very good. Red pepper, yes, red pepper. Maggi caldo sabor a pollo. And then yeah, I'm making sure everything get into the ground beef. That is where season it, and then I'm going to add lime juice. So yep, did I just eat on the tomato? Yes, I did, lol. So yeah, I love to eat tomatoes with salt. Yes, for a second. So yes, I'm going to take some to put on the fridge. I was going to leave it for my husband, and then on the next day I believe I eat it because it was so good. Like ground beef is really good. So yeah, I ate it. So yes, every time that I'm cooking ground beef, I have to eat some with bread. Like, I don't know if it's a Haitian thing. I don't know if every Haitian people do that, but I do that and I love it. My whole family, we love eating bread with ground beef. And then yes, so I already add my pasta. I left some to make another dish. And then yes, yes guys, my pasta is finally ready. So I had to make it like that because of my son, so he can eat on it. So yes, yummy, yummy, yummy. So yes guys, as you guys can see, my husband was helping me to wash the dishes. So yes, we are finally done. Yes, finally, thank you, Jesus. Husband did a really, really great job. Thank you, boo boo.